Okay, first you have to check your computer has enough requirements to install Windows. So you need to enter your BIOS setting using when your computer is booting. You can press delete key F2 or F12 depending on your computer. Once you are in the BIOS setting, check TPM version. It should be at least 2.0 and or above. So and also you have to enable the secure boot. If it is yes, you can save and exit from BIOS. If it is not, you have to use other methods to install Windows. There are some methods in my channel also. You can try to watch that video and try to install it again. Then after, if you add some external devices like USB drives or SD card, please remove that drives from your computer and try to install again. And then after, on your computer, you can right click on your start menu, go to device manager, double tap on disk drives, select your drive you are going to install the Windows, right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tap on uninstall. Then you can restart your computer if there is issue with disk drives. And then after, go to this PC, make sure your disk you are trying to install Windows has enough storage to install the Windows. It should be at least 64 gigabytes. So make sure to check that one. Sometimes the issue is related with the installation file, so you have to re-download Windows 11 from official Windows website. So you can do that using search for Windows 11 download and hit enter. Choose the first option. So you can scroll down and you can select the ISO file and you can confirm and then download. If you are using third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable those and try to install it again. So if you are connecting your computer to the internet while you are installing the Windows, please disable the network connection from the taskbar, then after try to install it again. And if your BIOS or UEFI firmware has the latest update, you can go their manufacturer website and try to if they are available latest update, so you can download that update before the installation process. So these are the methods you can try to fix Windows 11 installation fail. If the issue is related with TPM 2.0 or requirements, so you can see my other videos to how to install Windows without requirements. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.